What characteristic skills are required to excel in my career? The skills required to excel in your career depend on your field of work and the specific role you are in or aiming for. However, some skills are generally valuable in most careers and can help you succeed in your professional life. Here are a few examples. Communication skills. Being able to effectively communicate with coworkers, customers, and other stakeholders is critical in any job. Problem-solving skills. The ability to analyze a situation, identify problems, and develop effective solutions is highly valued in most industries. Time management skills. Being able to manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and meet deadlines is important for meeting job expectations and achieving career success. Adaptability. The ability to adjust to changing circumstances, learn new skills, and take on new challenges is becoming increasingly important in today's fast-paced and ever-changing work environment. Leadership skills. Even if you are not in a formal leadership position, having the ability to inspire and motivate others, collaborate effectively, and take initiative can set you apart from your peers and help you advance in your career. Technical skills. Depending on your industry, having technical skills such as coding, data analysis, or graphic design can be highly valuable. These are just a few examples of skills that can help you excel in your career. It's important to identify the specific skills required in your field and job and work to develop them over time. Additionally, having a positive attitude, a strong work ethic, and a willingness to learn can also go a long way towards achieving career success.